初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Do you have gel pens in blue?
Do you have gel pens in blue?
你们有蓝色的中性笔吗？
Do you have gel pens in blue?
Do you have gel pens in blue?
I want a pack of sticky notes.
I want a pack of sticky notes.
我想要一包便利贴。
I want a pack of sticky notes.
I want a pack of sticky notes.
How much is this notebook?
How much is this notebook?
这个笔记本多少钱？
How much is this notebook?
How much is this notebook?
Can I get a pencil sharpener?
Can I get a pencil sharpener?
我能买一个卷笔刀吗？
Can I get a pencil sharpener?
Can I get a pencil sharpener?
Do you sell sketchbooks here?
Do you sell sketchbooks here?
你们这里卖素描本吗？
Do you sell sketchbooks here?
Do you sell sketchbooks here?
This ruler has centimeter marks.
This ruler has centimeter marks.
这把尺子有厘米刻度。
This ruler has centimeter marks.
This ruler has centimeter marks.
I need a box of colored pencils.
I need a box of colored pencils.
我需要一盒彩色铅笔。
I need a box of colored pencils.
I need a box of colored pencils.
Do you have erasers that don't smudge?
Do you have erasers that don't smudge?
你们有不弄脏的橡皮吗？
Do you have erasers that don't smudge?
Do you have erasers that don't smudge?
This pencil case looks very cute.
This pencil case looks very cute.
这个铅笔盒看起来很可爱。
This pencil case looks very cute.
This pencil case looks very cute.
Can you show me the markers?
Can you show me the markers?
你能给我看看马克笔吗？
Can you show me the markers?
Can you show me the markers?
I want a binder with 20 rings.
I want a binder with 20 rings.
我想要一个20环的活页夹。
I want a binder with 20 rings.
I want a binder with 20 rings.
Do you have any waterproof pens?
Do you have any waterproof pens?
你们有防水笔吗？
Do you have any waterproof pens?
Do you have any waterproof pens?
These index cards are thick enough.
These index cards are thick enough.
这些索引卡足够厚。
These index cards are thick enough.
These index cards are thick enough.
I need a glue stick for my project.
I need a glue stick for my project.
我需要一个胶棒来做我的项目。
I need a glue stick for my project.
I need a glue stick for my project.
Do you sell stationery sets for kids?
Do you sell stationery sets for kids?
你们卖儿童文具套装吗？
Do you sell stationery sets for kids?
Do you sell stationery sets for kids?
This highlighter is not too bright.
This highlighter is not too bright.
这支荧光笔不太亮。
This highlighter is not too bright.
This highlighter is not too bright.
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
批量购买可以打折吗？
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
Do you have mechanical pencils?
Do you have mechanical pencils?
你们有自动铅笔吗？
Do you have mechanical pencils?
Do you have mechanical pencils?
I want to buy some paper clips.
I want to buy some paper clips.
我想买一些回形针。
I want to buy some paper clips.
I want to buy some paper clips.
This folder can hold many papers.
This folder can hold many papers.
这个文件夹可以放很多纸张。
This folder can hold many papers.
This folder can hold many papers.
Do you have any cute stickers?
Do you have any cute stickers?
你们有可爱的贴纸吗？
Do you have any cute stickers?
Do you have any cute stickers?
I need a stapler for my office.
I need a stapler for my office.
我需要一个订书机给我的办公室。
I need a stapler for my office.
I need a stapler for my office.
These scissors are safe for children.
These scissors are safe for children.
这些剪刀对儿童安全。
These scissors are safe for children.
These scissors are safe for children.
Can you recommend a good pen?
Can you recommend a good pen?
你能推荐一支好笔吗？
Can you recommend a good pen?
Can you recommend a good pen?
I want a calendar for next month.
I want a calendar for next month.
我想要一个下个月的日历。
I want a calendar for next month.
I want a calendar for next month.
Do you accept mobile payment here?
Do you accept mobile payment here?
你们这里接受移动支付吗？
Do you accept mobile payment here?
Do you accept mobile payment here?
This correction tape works well.
This correction tape works well.
这个修正带很好用。
This correction tape works well.
This correction tape works well.
I need a few rolls of tape.
I need a few rolls of tape.
我需要极简胶带。
I need a few rolls of tape.
I need a few rolls of tape.
Do you have any art supplies?
Do you have any art supplies?
你们有美术用品吗？
Do you have any art supplies?
Do you have any art supplies?
This notebook has a hard cover.
This notebook has a hard cover.
这个笔记本有硬封面。
This notebook has a hard cover.
This notebook has a hard cover.
I want to buy a pack of lead refills.
I want to buy a pack of lead refills.
我想买一包铅芯。
I want to buy a pack of lead refills.
I want to buy a pack of lead refills.
These sticky tabs are very useful.
These sticky tabs are very useful.
这些便利贴标签非常有用。
These sticky tabs are very useful.
These sticky tabs are very useful.
Do you sell gift bags for stationery?
Do you sell gift bags for stationery?
你们卖文具礼品袋吗？
Do you sell gift bags for stationery?
Do you sell gift bags for stationery?
I need a pencil grip for my kid.
I need a pencil grip for my kid.
我需要一个铅笔握笔器给我的孩子。
I need a pencil grip for my kid.
I need a pencil grip for my kid.
This marker set has 12 colors.
This marker set has 12 colors.
这套马克笔有12种颜色。
This marker set has 12 colors.
This marker set has 12 colors.
Do you have any notebooks on sale?
Do you have any notebooks on sale?
你们有笔记本在打折吗？
Do you have any notebooks on sale?
Do you have any notebooks on sale?
These paper sheets are smooth.
These paper sheets are smooth.
这些纸张很光滑。
These paper sheets are smooth.
These paper sheets are smooth.
I like this store's stationery collection.
I like the store's stationery collection.
我喜欢这家店的文具收藏。
I like this store's stationery collection.
I like the store's stationery collection.
Thank you for your patient service.
Thank you for your patient service.
感谢你耐心的服务。
Thank you for your patient service.
Thank you for your patient service.
Have a nice day and see you soon.
Have a nice day and see you soon.
祝你今天愉快，再见。
Have a nice day and see you soon.
Have a nice day and see you soon.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。